Right. Oh, man. So I just wanted to show you guys the before of this place because we're supposed to be able to knock this out real quick. This will be a very, very, very cheap renovation. Very cheap. It's a beautiful house. I mean, I would probably move in. I fucking love this shit. Oh, man. There's literally drywall FRP repairs. Oh, man. My fucking cousin George must have rented this place. And you definitely had some druggy squatters in here. It's a very sad life. It actually kind of weirdly smells good in here. It smells like women's perfume. That's so sad to see, dude. Like, I don't know. Wow. Getting somewhere here. I'm going to put the bedroom door over here. That's a closet. That's a half bath. And then this is supposed to be a master. Or another bedroom. So shitter will go there. Vanity here. It's running the electrical. Whatever. Room, I suppose. It's a very weird renovation. The electrical's in. So, yeah. And they're getting somewhere, I suppose.